Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the collage filter on Snapchat. So this is the filter. Okay, you have different templates here to choose from. Let me remove this first. Okay, the effect is gone. Okay, the effect is gone. To get this effect on Snapchat, what you have to do, okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the snap code for this filter. If you're browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snap code with your Snapchat mobile app. And if you're browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snap code and open it with Snapchat. Likewise, okay, that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.